Garage doors fail when you least expect it. Don't get stuck in or out of your garage. Hi, I'm Tonya Khoury for our family, locally owned business, Green Tea Services. Right now, Green Tea is offering a $47 garage door maintenance special. Our trained technicians come out and adjust the springs, inspect the rollers, tighten hinges, and give your door and opener a complete lubrication. Call now for our $47 special.
Green Tea Services, 800-5-GREEN-TEA.
800-5-GREEN-TEA or greenteaservices.com.